Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Rune ASMR. Today we are going to learn some basic Somali words, phrases and sentences. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video and follow for more. Let's start. First, I will be saying the words in a calming and soothing voice and also tone. I will also repeat the words several times so that you can learn it and be familiar with the voice, with the sounds and the pronunciation. So I will try to get you through this in a very calming and soothing way. This video will also help you to unwind from the burden. Yes. Now the video will be in parts. Each part will deal with a different thing. So the first part is about common phrases and words used in greetings. So when you want to say hello, how are you? A reply to how are you, that's fine, I am fine, or goodbye, or thank you, how do you say it in Somali? That's what we are going to learn today. Let's go. So the first part is the greetings, and we'll start with hello. So I want to say that there is no word equivalent to hello in the Somali language. There is no specific word used for hello, but as most Somalis, almost 100% or 99% of Somalis are Muslims, so we usually use Assalamu alaikum as hello. So Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. So when you want to greet someone, the first thing you will say to them is hello. But in Somali language, it doesn't have that word. Or if there's a word and I don't know about it, please let me know in the comments if there's a word in Somali for hello. So we say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, that's the word. Assalamu alaikum is equivalent to hello, even though it's not Somali, it's an Arabic word, Arabic phrase, sorry. So, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Yes. And let's move to the second word, which is how are you? Do you have any idea how we say how are you in Somali? Let me hear it. You're fine. It needs some polishing. The word for how are you in Somali is called Sinetai. Sinetai or Setai. Setai or Sinetai. Different dialects of Somali will have some difference in pronunciation, but the most common one is Sinetai or Setai. I'm talking about the standard Somali language, but there are dialects, so it might differ. Setai, Setai, or Sinetai is the Somali word for how are you. So when you want to greet someone and ask about their well-being, what will you say in Somali? Exactly. You are a fast learner, a quick learner. You will say Sinetai or Setai, Setai or Sinetai. I'll give you some seconds to repeat it. Yes, don't forget it. It is Sinetai or Setai. Now, when someone says, how are you? Or asks you the question, That's the Somali word for I am fine. It's the same as when someone greets you with how are you, you can reply to with I am fine or fine. It's kind of right. So you can say vi an or what vi an I, which is I am fine. Vi an fine. So that's the word. Now we'll go to how do you say thank you in Somali. Thank you in Somali is, do you have any idea? One mahadsantahay. Waad mahadsantahay. Waad mahadsantahay. You can say mahadsanid also. Or waad mahadsantahay. So it's the same as the I am fine, I'm fine. So it's the long version and the short version of it. So you can either say one vi an I, or you can say vi an. Both are okay. It's whichever you prefer. So you can use one mahadsantahay or mahadsanid. Now let me hear you say it. Exactly. That's nice. You are a good learner, by the way. So let me repeat it one more time. Waan fiicanahay. Oh, sorry. Waad mahadsantahay. Waad mahadsantahay. Or mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. Or waad mahadsantahay. That is the word for thank you in Somali. Isn't it beautiful? I know. The Somali language is one of the most beautiful languages in this earth. I only know 3 languages, but I believe Somali language is the most beautiful one. Now let's go to the last one in this part 1, this section 1. So the last one for this section is goodbye. How do you say goodbye in Somali? Now we have learned about 4 words. We have learned how are you, I am fine, hello, and goodbye. Oh, we have not learned goodbye. Goodbye in Somali is nabadgelyo. Nabadgelyo. Nabadgelyo is goodbye in Somali. Nabadgelyo. Repeat it after me. Let me say it one more time. Saturday. Yes. And the fourth number, which is number 4 in Somali, is Afar. Number 4 in Somali is Afar. It has that, like you have to roll the R a little bit, but not that much. But here, silent R will not work. You cannot say Afar. No, you have to say Afar. Yes. Repeat it. Yes. You have to practice more, but you'll get there, don't worry. Now we'll move to the 5th number, which is number 5. In Somali is Shan. Isn't that beautiful? Number 5 is one of my favorites. So I'm kind of biased, but it's so beautiful. Number 5 in Somali, which is Shan. So beautiful. So if you know T in Somali, which is Shah, it's similar to Shah. So if you are a foodie, you've got this. Shah, Shan. So number 5 in Somali is called Shan. Let me give you some time to practice it. Yes. Now let's move to the number 6, which is Lay. In Somali, you say Lay. It has that sound. See, Lay. It's similar to Bilay, which is salt in Somali. Lay. Okay. Now we move to the 7th number, which is number 7 in Somali. It's called Totobo. Totobo is number 7 in Somali. Isn't it beautiful? I know. Lay. I meant to say Totobo is 7 in Somali. So number 7 in Somali is Totobo. Let's move to number 8. Number 8 in Somali is Sideed. 8. Sideed. They kind of rhyme with each other, isn't it? Yeah. So this will be easy to remember. I hope so. Sideed. Number 8 is Sideed. Yes. Sideed is number 8 in Somali. Repeat it after me. Sideed. That's nice. Sideed, yes. The next number is 9, which is Sagal in Somali. Siddeed sagaal toban. Okay. So it's also that one is also easy, right? So now we have learned the 10 numbers, the first 10 numbers in Somali, which is Ko, Labo, Sade, Afar, Shan, Le, Todobo, Siddeed, Sagaal, Toban, Ko, Labo, Sade, Afar, Shan, Le, Todobo, Siddeed, Sagaal, Toban. Congratulations. Now you can count 1 to 10. And now we'll move to the third section or part 3, which is common sentences used or common phrases you can use to convey simple messages. So in this we learn some common sentences which are easier to construct and they use simple words or phrases in them, such as my name, I live where you live, what your name is, and stuff like that, and also what you like. So first we'll start with how do you say your name in Somali? For example, my name is Ron. My name is Ron. So how do I say that in Somali? So I'll say that my name, magacaygu waa Ron. Magacaygu waa Ron. My name is Ron. Magacaygu waa Ron. So for example, if your name is Halimo, you will say magacaygu waa Halimo. It's as simple as that, isn't it easy? I know. Magacaygu waa Halimo. My name is Halimo. Magacaygu waa Halimo. Exactly, it's as simple as that. If your name is Mohammed, you will say my name is Mohammed. So you will say in Somali, magacaygu waa Mohammed. Magacaygu, so maga is name in Somali. You will say magacaygu waa Mohammed. Yes. Magacaygu waa Mohammed. Yes. My name is Mohammed. Now let's move to the next sentence, which is I am learning Somali. I am learning Somali language. I am learning Somali language. How do you say that in Somali now? Waxaan baranayaa luqadda af Soomaaliga. Learn is barasho. Learn is barasho. So you will say waxaan baranayaa luqadda Soomaaliga. Waxaan baranayaa I am learning luqadda Soomaaliga. Somali language. Yes, it's as simple as that. It's not even that much complicated or difficult, though it's kind of long, but it's simple. Waxaan waa personally like hammer. I don't know why. It just has a vibe to it. So I live in Mogadishu. I live in Mogadishu. Waan kunolay hammer. Anigu waan kunolay. You can either say anigu waan kunolay hammer, or you can say waan kunolay hammer. It's just the same thing. It's the same as saying I live in Mogadishu. I live in Mogadishu. Waan kunolay hammer, or waan kunolay Mogadishu. Mogadishu and hammer is the same thing. It's the same city, the capital city of Somalia. It's called Hamar or Mogadishu. Now you know. So we have learned some basic words, basic sentences. So someone can ask you, what is your name? Where do you live? What do you like? So now you know how to answer in Somali. So if you like Somali food, what will you say in Somali? Let me hear it. That's nice. Somali. Or if you want to say, I love Somali food, which personally I do. Somali food is top tier. Somali food is one of the best cuisines out there. Okay, so you will say, waan jeclahay. Anigu waan jeclahay cunada Soomaalida. You say, I love Somali food. Anigu waan jeclahay cunada Soomaalida. Now what will you say when you want to say, I live in Mogadishu in Somali? Exactly. I knew you can do this. Anigu waan ku noolahay Muqdisho. Anigu waan ku noolahay Muqdisho. Strong hammer. On how do you say it? How do you say your name in Somali? Yes. Magacaygu waa Run. Magacaygu waa Run. That's for today. That's for now. That's for section 3. We are done with section 3. We have learned some basic Somali words, and I hope you remember them. If you keep practicing, I am sure you will remember. You are a bright student, a quick learner too, so you can do this. I believe in you. Now we move to the next section. And now we are going to learn how to say colors in Somali. So let's go. The first color we will learn is color red. Red. How do you say red in Somali? Do you have any idea? If yes, good job. Keep going. If no, I'm here to teach you, so don't worry. The first color is color red. Color red in Somali is called Asan. Asan or Kudut. So that's two different names based on where you are from. So you can either say Asan or you can say Kudut. I personally say Kudut, and I get confused when people say Asan. I confuse Asan with yellow, but yellow is another one. So Asan, you can say Asan or Kudut. So red is is Charlie. Charlie. I used to think yellow is Azan, but Azan is red, and yellow is Charlie. 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 So if you want to say my clothing is yellow, you will say Charlie. By the way, I like the color Charlie a lot. So Charlie is yellow. Charlie yellow. And the next one is my ultimate favorite color, black. Who doesn't love black? Like, what are you if you don't like black or love black? You are a fake one. Jokes aside, let's know how we say black in Somali. Black is meadow in Somali. Meadow in Somali is black. Meadow, black. Meadow. It's easy, right? Now we'll move to the next color. This color right here, which is white. Somali is called Adin or Atan, whichever you say. Adin or Atan is white in Somali. So when you want to say Adin or Atan, when you want to say white in Somali, you will say what? Exactly, Adin or Atan. That's for now, and we have finished all the colors. I hope you've practiced so that you don't forget. And we have come to an end. And this was the last part of our lesson today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brings you a lot of tranquility, a lot of relaxation. And thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Please follow us for more and learning a new language next time. So be patient, be persistent, and you will eventually get there. I believe in you. So should you. Believe in yourself. Be persistent. Have patience, and you will get there. I love you all. Take care. Bless. May God bless you all. And please follow us for more at Rune ASMR. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us for more, and may God be with you and guide you through learning this language. Learning a language is not for the weak. It needs a lot of patience. It needs a lot of practice. It consumes your time, but you will eventually get there. Love you all, and have a nice time.